Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. This is Stamping with Ian with an unboxing video. And yes, it's the pre-order. How excited are you? I'm really excited. You can probably tell. Now, what I was going to do, I was going to split this up into 3 videos, kind of tease you out, but then I thought, no, I can't do that to my lovely followers. So here we go. Right, first off is some bits I picked up in the sale. So it's always nice to get things in sales, isn't it? Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. So I've got these beautiful petal pink rhinestone gems. So there we go. Gorgeous, aren't they? I got these. Now these are Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins. I've never had any of these before, so I'm looking forward to playing with them, seeing what they're like. You seem to have a number of different colours in there, which is good. And I got these. These are fun, aren't they? Heart doilies. You get 40 in each pack. I didn't realise that. Ooh, shall we open one and see what colours you get? So we have some reds. Oh, is it just the 2? Yes. That looks like Flirty Flamingo, and that's a red, isn't it? I'm not quite sure which red it is, but I'm sure it'll be in the catalogue. So that was the stuff I got that was kind of reduced and things, you know. But so let's move on to the new stuff. So just put these out of the way. But I might need to move them out of the way completely, actually. Right, the first thing, of course, is new colours. So I picked up what I could from the ink colours. We don't have the ink pads yet, but we'll have them in June for the launch of the new catalogue. But still lots to play with. These are the in colour enamel dots, and I'm going to try and remember the names. Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Mr. Moonlight, that is my favourite. I'm not a big blue fan, but saying that, Night of Navy and the old Dapper Denim are my favourite blues. Jade and Madly Magenta, I think that one is. So beautiful colours, aren't they? I can see these going really well together. With it, of course, came some paper and card. Get my scalpel. Right, this is the In Colour Designer Series paper. I bought this and I'm not quite sure why. I don't really use a lot of this, but these are the colours, kind of in full regalia. There we go. Can you see those? They are nice, aren't they? Nice patterns on the back. I like these patterns, actually. Yeah. Shall I attempt to put them back in here, or shall I just leave it till after the video? Let's just have a quick go. Oh, I got them in. And then, of course, full colour is the cardstock. So these are the colours Yeah, these will come out of here because these are going in folders. So so the bumblebee, the cinnamon cider, the just jade. That's a lovely jade actually. That is bright, isn't it? Lots of fun. That's going to go well with melon mambo, I think. Oh yeah, I'm loving that. Love. And then the Misty Moonlight. So actually, I'll space these out so you can still see them a little bit. Yes, I know I'm waffling. I'm just so excited. So there we go. Now then, I picked up a couple of the sweets, which we were able to do. The sweet I picked up was, one of them was In Good Taste. So that's the stamp set. The good things in life are better with you. You are the best. Just saying hello. You are so special. You have some beautiful patterns to colour. That is gorgeous, isn't it? And it's in our top quality red rubber. Best in the world. No Chinese knockoffs here from Alibaba and Wish and whatever. Counterfeiting scum. Excuse me. Tasteful Labels dies. So you don't get dies for any of these patterns. But what you do get instead are these. Look at those. Beautiful, aren't they? Yeah, we're going to have fun with these. And layering these is going to be good as well, isn't it? You can just tell, you know. So, love those. Put them away. And now, maybe I should have left them out. Oh, I don't know. Tasteful Textile 3D Embossing Folder. Ooh, now then, look at that. Give you a close up. You see that? That's nice, isn't it? It's nice. In Good Taste Elements, Choking Hazard. So yeah, I promise not to choke on them. I'm not going to open these because they're just going to go everywhere, but they're very nice, aren't they? And finally, for the sweet, the DSP, In Good Taste Designer Series Paper. These will go in my page protectors, so I don't need to worry about saving the plastic, which I can't recycle. Stampin' Up, get a move on with making things recyclable, please. Save the planet and all that. So, the coordinating colours are Basic Grey, Early Espresso, Grey Granite, Night of Navy, Petal Pink, Rococo Rose, Smoky Slate, Red Vanilla, and Whisper White. So you can use this with all the bases then. So 2 sheets of each. Look at that. If I just turn every other one over, and then I'll just go through them. Ooh. So lots of designs here. Right, here we go. So let's go through them, shall we? So, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. I want to touch this. It's so defined. It's look. I can feel it coming out of the paper. It's beautiful. It's like this tile effect. I'm loving this paper. I'm buying more of this paper. I've seen a demonstrator. I can't remember her name at the minute, but she's actually using this paper as a background for her photo box, and it looks really effective. So that might be an idea for me, possibly. I've stopped counting, haven't I? So I've no idea where I am now, but just enjoy the goodness. I mean, look at it. It's popping out at you, isn't it? Beautiful. Love, love, love. So that's the In Good Taste suite. Now we come to the time for a little sip of coffee. And the second suite, which is World of Good. So there's the stamp set. Another cling stamp set. Life's a beautiful journey. Adventure awaits. You make the world a better place. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Oh, a little ink and a quill. Red rubber again. Can't fault it. It's excellent stuff. There's an embossing folder with it. Old world paper. I've had to restrain myself from not opening these, you know. Saving them so we can open them together. Wow, look at that. Close up time. Look at that. Wow. Love it. We get dies with it, world map dies. So yeah, we get dies for the maps, for the globe stand and for the globe. That little swirly thing, the quill. That's the circle, the ink pot. Oh, I'm not in shot, am I? There we go. Sorry about that. Oh, let's put it that way so you can see it. Beautiful, aren't they? Some little script. Yeah. I'll leave these out at this time so you can see them. We get some ribbon. This is Early Espresso faux suede trim. Now if I can find my pokey tool, there it is. Never ever getting rid of this, so useful. And see if we can find the end. There's the end. that's the end. That's the, yeah, that's the end. So what we'll try and do, I try and tease out the ribbon without removing the plastic. Like so. Oops. Yay! There we go. That's beautiful. Feels really nice as well. Give you a close up. Hope you can see that. I try and leave the plastic on because then it contains the ribbon. So there's the ribbon. We get some embellishments. Antique corners and slides elements. I always save these bags because these bags come in are very useful. Ooh. Let me turn a few of them over. Then I'll give you a close-up. There we go. Beautiful, aren't they? Love them. What else do we get in this suite? We get Memories and More cards. World of Good. No longer in a box. They're just shrink wrap now. I guess that's to save on using cardboard, which is good. But using more plastic is bad. Sorry, Stampin' Up, but you know. I kind of tell it like it is, you know. So I need to save that and have a quick glance through the cards. These are the small cards. What a wonderful world, look at that one. Plenty of places to write. Lots of grunge, love a bit of grunge. Dream big, absolutely. What does that one say? The world cracks open for those willing to take a risk. Quotes as well. Bucket lists. A day to remember. Look at these. These are nice. These are gorgeous. Oh, look at that one. Dream, discover, explore. I'll leave that one on top. And then the big cards. We have some shiny ones. Like so. Oh, we have some peel-offs. Are these peel-offs or die cuts? Peel-offs. Those die cuts or peel-offs? Die cuts. Peel-offs. Yes, they're stickies. And then the cards themselves. Lots of maps. Bits of script. Life is an adventure. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Designer Series paper in this suite. Speciality Designer Series paper this is. And the coordinating colours are Basic Black, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow and Whisper White. So shiny paper and some grungy maps, always good. There we go. Oh, make sure I'm in shot. Make sure you can see the shiny. Hope you can see these. Oh, look at that one. Oh, this is Europe. Sheffield, Crewe, London, Switzerland, Paris. Lovely. Oh, and the reverse side. Dominion of Canada. Well, that's an old map, isn't it? Is that from the colonial days, do you think? And that one, grunge. So there we go. But there's more in this suite. There's more paper. What? I hear you cry? Yes. Brass foil sheets. Love a bit of brass. Let's open them up. How many sheets do we get? We get 2 sheets. So there we go. That's the 2 suites. I hope you've enjoyed this little meandering through new and old goodies. And if you've liked this video, then, you know, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell. And I always upload on a Wednesday and a Friday. It's 8 PM UK time. So I hope to see you again. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time. Be well, everybody. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.